Hi, my name is Daniette Love, and I'm a doctoral student at the Chicago School of Professional Psychology, studying educational psychology and technology. Let's talk about behavior. More specifically, addressing disruptive behavior utilizing behaviorism theory. The number of young children demonstrating chronic behavior problems is concerning and has serious ramifications for schools and communities. Reported figures suggest that as many as 25% of preschool-age children in the United States present with emotional and behavioral problems, with even higher rates for children from low-income families. And that's cited by Key and Kaiser, 2003. The goal of this lesson is that students will learn behavior management techniques to improve conduct grades in the school setting. Behaviorism theory will be utilized to teach and reinforce the skills gained. Behavior expectations will be documented in the Class Dojo behavior management system. Students will gain a point for expectations that are met, and students will lose a point when expectations are not met. Class Dojo utilizes the behavior management theory that positive and negative behaviors will be reinforced. Our learning objectives are: students will learn skills needed to be respectful to authority figures. Students will be taught how to have proper body language, tone of voice, and proper language in general. Students will learn skills needed to show self-control. They will learn skills regarding remaining in their seat, working quietly, and keeping hands and feet to oneself. Students will learn social skills needed to make and keep boundaries, such as active listening and making eye contact. Learning involves acquiring and modifying knowledge, skills, strategies, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. People learn cognitive, linguistic, motor, and social skills, and these skills can take many forms. That's according to Schnook 2012. Behaviorism is a learning theory that focuses on objectively observable behaviors and discounts any independent activities of the mind. Behavior theories define learning as nothing more than the acquisition of new behaviors based on environmental conditions. Behavior theories assert that students need to understand how to apply knowledge and skills they acquire. Uses should be learned in conjunction with the content. And that's taken from Funderstanding.com, Theory and Behaviorism. Again, our learning objectives are: students will learn skills needed to be respectful to authority figures. Students will learn skills needed to show self-control. Students will learn skills needed to make and keep friends. Lessons will be taught via mock scenarios that would allow the teacher to model and demonstrate appropriate skills and the students to role play how to effectively utilize those skills to meet the learning objectives. Behaviorism is implemented by teachers to give students rewards for meeting behavior goals and consequences when goals are not met. The concept of utilizing positive and negative reinforcement techniques has been known to be effective in successfully impacting students' behavior. And these are our references. Thank you so much for attending.